In Java, there are two types of the modifiers. First one is the access modifiers and second one is the non-access modifiers. First one, the access modifiers have the four types in it. First, that are public, private, protected and default. And the non-access modifiers have the five types in it. That is the static, final, abstract, then volatile and synchronized. So we will see the access modifiers first. The access modifiers, it is used to indicate the accessibility or the scope of the field, class, method or constructor, or we can change the access level of the field, class, constructor or method by applying the access modifier to it. So we will see its type one by one. First one in detail. First one is the public access modifier. The access level of the public modifier is everywhere. We can access it within the class or outside the class, or within the package or outside the package. The second one is private. The access level of the private modifier is within the class only. We cannot access it outside the class. Then third one is the protected. The access level of the protected modifier is within the package or outside the package with the help of the child class. If the child class is not declared, then it cannot be accessed outside the package. Then fourth one is the default. The access level of the default modifier is within the package. It cannot be accessed outside the package. And if any access modifier is not declared to the class, then it is considered as a default access modifier. Now we will see the non-access modifier. First one, the static modifier. The static modifier is used to create the variables and methods. First one, the static variable. With the help of the static keyword, we can create the static keyword, we can create the static variable. It is existing implement with the instance of any object. Then second one is the static method. With the help of the static keyword, we can create the static method existing independent of any instance of an object. Then next is the final modifier. The final modifier is used for the finalizing the implementation. Then finalizing the implementation of the variable or method or class. First one is the final variable. The final variable cannot be initialized. It can be initialized one and read cannot be reassigned again. Then second one is the final method. The method with the final keyword cannot be overridden and no any modification can be done in it. Then the final class. The class with the final keyword cannot be inherited by any subclass. Then we will see now next abstract modifier. The abstract modifier is used for creating the abstract method and abstract class. First we will see the abstract class. The abstract class cannot be both abstract or final, and the class containing the abstract methods should be declared as an abstract, and the abstract class contains both normal methods and abstract methods also. Then we will see the abstract method. The abstract method is without the implementation and it ends with the semicolon. Then next is the synchronized modifier. Synchronized modifier is used to indicate that the variable can be accessed by only one thread at a time, and it can be acquired. It can be done with all the four access modifiers in it. Then fifth one is the synchronized modifier. The synchronized modifier is used to tell the JVM that the thread that is accessing the variable thread that is accessing the variable should should merge its private copy of the variable. It should merge with private copy of the variable and the master copy in the memory, and its reference of the object is null. So in this way, this is all about the access modifiers and non-access modifiers in the Java. Thank you.